FUKUDA manufactures and sells a wide range of leak testing equipment. We would like to introduce leak testing using hydrogen. FUKUDA offers hydrogen detectors with an accuracy of 10⁻⁶ Pascal cubic meter per sec for leak detection, even when using search gas with hydrogen diluted to 5% or less. Hydrogen detectors may be able to measure areas that until now could only be measured by helium air tightness testing. Initial cost is 1/3 compared to helium leak testers. Operating costs could also be reduced to 1/3. The handy HDA-0100 hydrogen detector is battery-powered, rechargeable, compact, and lightweight. It also only weighs 300 grams, making it easy to carry. All operations can be performed with one hand for excellent visibility and operability. The HDA-0100, specialized for sniffer measurement, is easy to use. Simply trace the surface of the test piece with the tip of the detector sniffer. If a leak is detected, an alarm and numerical value will notify you. The response time is extremely quick, taking about 1 second after the gas is detected at the sniffer tip. Various inspection methods are also available. The suction cup method. A local chamber is created by covering the leak area with a cup to suppress atmospheric diffusion of leaked hydrogen, resulting in highly sensitive measurement. The atmospheric pressure chamber method to measure overall leakage from the entire test piece. The test piece is covered with a chamber, the inside of the test piece is filled with search gas, and the leaked gas is deposited in the chamber. The leaked gas enters the chamber and its concentration is measured. We offer a variety of other measurement methods to suit your application. FUKUDA delivers hydrogen measurement equipment that meet the needs of our customers.